Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us the gorgeous Ritika Singh, who is a powerhouse of talent and is going to be performing in Saima this year. How excited are you?
This is my first Saima performance. I've never performed before, and I'm performing tomorrow. I have some really cool tracks, a fun choreography, so I'm really looking forward to it.
And how are you preparing yourself for this performance? How are you going to get that energy?
We are rehearsing. The choreographers are damn cool. The whole team is nice. We have a whole team behind the scenes who's working really hard. So I hope through them I can give a very powerful performance.
As someone from the north, how's your experience been working in the south?
It's actually my favorite thing, especially the Tamil industry. They've always been so welcoming. Telugu industry, all the industries that I've worked in so far, they're so warm, very kind, and very welcoming.
So I'm curious to know, how did you work with understanding the language and actually performing in that language? That must be a very Herculean task, right?
Absolutely, because my first film was Sala Khadus in Hindi with Madhavan sir, and the same film we shot in Tamil. So two shots simultaneously, one in Tamil, one in Hindi, and I did not speak Tamil back then. So I just learned the whole script by heart, both Hindi and Tamil, and I just went and I performed.
And can we hope to see more performances from you in the future? Are you planning to do that with Saima?
Yes, I hope so because I love the stage, I love dancing, I love performing. So I hope this is the first of many to come.
And we definitely love to see you on stage. Thank you so much, Ritika. It was a pleasure. Bye. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the gorgeous Pragya, and she's definitely riding high with the success and number of hits she's having. Her last movie was a huge hit. So, how has the experience been so far?
It's been wonderful. You mean in terms of movies or awards?
So, both.
So it's been a wonderful experience because Telugu film industry has accepted me with a lot of love and warmth. And my last film, Akhanda, was a huge success. So very happy and grateful for that. And just very excited to be here after such a long gap.
We also heard that you're nominated, right? So, how does that feel to be appreciated, for performing in a language which is not your native language and actually putting that effort and getting nominated?
Very, very happy and grateful because Akhanda was, we shot the film during lockdown. It was really tough to finally get that recognition, I think is huge, and very humbled and grateful and happy.
We also got to know that you are an excellent dancer. Will we get to see you perform in Saima in the near future?
Yes, soon. I have performed here a couple of times before, but soon again.
Let's hope to see that soon. And thank you so much, Pragya. It was nice talking to you. Bye. Ladies and gentlemen, we have here with us Ishika Taneja, who is looking divine in this beautiful outfit. So, Ishika, is this your first experience with Saima?
Yes, I'm here for the first time and I'm glad I could make it on the 10th year. So there's a lot of amazing performances, great action to be waiting to be watched.
And will we get to see you perform in the near future?
Hopefully, I think South is getting all the right eyeballs because of the talent that they have, the energy that they have, and everything is so magnanimous that everybody wants to be a part of it.
All right. It's such a pleasure to have you here. I wish you all the best for all your future endeavors and the projects that you're going to, entertain us with in Bollywood and across South. And South, if you're watching, we have a new star in the making. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.